Hi, do you teach young children in Louisiana? Are you constantly looking for new ways to inspire and excite your students as they learn? Or maybe even a new type of reward for PBIS? Or how about a dinosaur experience? But not just a dinosaur experience that comes to you. So that's right, you don't need to organise coaches, you don't have to have head counts as people get on the bus, you don't have to have constant toilet stops and looking for children. We'll come to you in your location. We can come for half a day or a full day, whatever you prefer, and we'll come and give an exciting talk, and we'll bring along our dinosaurs, Rexy and Nash. And the children can get to meet and have a hands-on experience. It's only available in Louisiana, and we're the only people that can offer it to you. If you think it might be of interest, drop us a line on the messenger here or go to our website and we'll get in touch. All right, hope to see you soon.